Okay.
Are you ready?
Jon Singleton's gonna hurt himself.
Woo, shit.
That was good.
I went straight to the bottom.
I bet you did.
Oh, was that good?
Yeah, the splash was as tall as the ladder.
That's lame. I bet you do better from the side.
Uh-oh. Nope, off the ladder was better.
What?
Off the ladder was better.
Shit.
Isn't it good to be young? What was that? You can send this to all your Montana friends.
Trying to get a line in. Good view. Good. Watch this shit. Handstand.
A handstand.
Handstand on the board, man. Ain't nobody tried this shit.
Nice. See a trip to the emergency room.
Shit! Fuck it!
That was kind of lame.
I wonder if I can get it on this one. Go on it! Yeah, see that ride, bitch? Okay, get the camera on my face.